Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize your header and footer in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website icon right here. In this new page containing your website, you will click on the edit button, which is usually found at the top right corner of your screen. And this will open this right panel, which contains all the tools you need to customize your website. Next, double-click on your header up here, and the right panel will change to cater to your needs. You can start customizing your header by picking a template, colors, customizing the borders, aligned, and more. Next, double-click your footer down here so that the right panel will change again. Just like that, what you did with the header, you can also customize your footer by picking a template, enabling copyright, and customizing the text. After that, just click on Save at the top right corner to save your changes. And that is how you can customize your header and footer in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.